Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Yesterday I was helping a gentleman do this contour around here, and he tried it at home. And in his contour docker, there's no round corners. It's either center, outside, or inside. There's no rounded corners like mine. If I go to Effects and Contour, I have right there square corners, round corners, and minor corners. His is missing. So this might only, and he's got X5, which is pretty old, but I actually sent an email to a couple of my mentors, and they 100% agree with me that X5 had this. I'm pretty sure X3 or 13 had it, and that's what I started with. So I want him to try three things. I want you to shut Corel down. Roy Brewer, my main mentor, said it's probably a corrupted version of Corel. Well, if that's the case, this won't help. But if it's not, shut Corel down, hold down the F8 key, and reload Corel. Double click on your icon and wait for an icon that comes up that says, do you want to set all factory defaults back? And just say yes. If that doesn't correct your contour, there's a couple other things we can do. One, and if it's missing here, it might be missing here, but I don't know. I'm going to go to Tools, Options, and Customization, and I'm going to go Commands, and I'm going to type in right here, round corners. And if you look at that right there and I click on it, round corners, round the corners of a contour. So this is round corners of like your box up here. But if you'll get this one, hold down the Control and the Alt key and move it up here. And then say OK. Okay. I'm going to set mine on square corners. Okay. Because you don't have it. And I'm going to go to the outside with rounded corners. I'm going to press this icon and then say OK. Okay, it didn't work. There it is. Look at that, it rounded off the corners. Let's just try it on his graphic. Let's break that apart because this will be the ultimate test. Maybe it's not together. So I got to select it all, go up to Object, and break the contour part. Then I'm just going to get rid of the contour. So if I use square corners, I'm going to get exactly what he gets. But I'm not going to touch my square corners up here. I'm going to touch mine that I just made. Look at that. It worked. Now, if your Corel is corrupted, that might not be in your customization either. And you can leave this here. You could dock it up here, and it would be there forever. And if you don't want to know what it, or can't remember what it looks like, you can right click and customize toolbar item and caption to the right of image, round corners. So always be there. And then if this corrects your problem, go to Tools and save as default. Now, the other thing I'm going to suggest is, let me break this apart, because inside of Corel, there's two sets of contours, the contour docker and the contour on your toolbar. We're going to grab the contour on the toolbar and see, we're going to go out and we're going to go to the outside with rounded corners. So this might be here in this scenario. I never use it because I got so used to using the other one. But I mean, this way you can expand your contour out more. I mean, I actually moved it. That's why I don't use it. Because see, it's not working for me. I don't know what I'm doing. But you can change your steps, you can change your degree. See how it's contouring a little. This is actually probably a little better than the way, because you have to back up. Now we're getting some lines when we go too far. So try those three things. And as always, break your contour apart, because there are some pieces in here that we need to go to object and break the contour apart and get rid of those pieces. And then you can move that back. I truly hope that helped him. If not, he'll let me know, and we can try to. The only other thing you can do, he's going to send me a couple of files that I'm going to do them for him today, unless if this does not work. But not, you're going to have to. 15 is a pretty good Corel. Step up to the newest, and it has a lot more bells and whistles. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.